Hello. I brought good news to you guys today. Do you know that you can actually make your picture, just your picture, to be talking? Some people they are camera shy, like they cannot stay in front of camera to be talking for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's not that they don't know what to say, they actually have what to say in their brain, but they are camera shy, they cannot stand in front of camera to be talking. Yes, it's not a crime, it do happen like that. But there is something you could actually use to be creating your own content, and you will be having views like normal people that used to stand in front of camera and talk. Yes, you'll be getting engagement, and you can actually also be monetized. Yes, it's true, you can be monetized. So the good news is this: I will teach you how you can make your picture to be talking. How are you going to do it? You will first of all snap a picture, the picture that you want to use for the video. Then you will now type anything at all, whatever you want to say in that video. Then after that, making that picture you snap cannot be saying those things. I think you must have been seeing all these kind of videos that you just see picture, but actually if you are not being explained to you not know that is image actually, oh, because it will look real, it will look real. Then after making snapping your picture, you will type what you want to say in the video. Then you can now generate it, your picture will be saying those things and with small body movements, yeah, which means a novice cannot know that it's picture that is being used in the video. If you want to know more about it, or if you want to know how you can do it, and believe me, it's very very simple. It doesn't need any qualification like any school certificate, or just something you could just learn. If you just learn it, you can actually know how to make use of it. So let's dive into the practicals. Here we come. This is my CapCut app. I just opened my CapCut app. From there, you will see new project. Click on the new project. Once you click on new project, you will see videos and photos up here. You can see it. Click on photos because we want to make use of photos this time around, not video anymore. Click on photos. Once you click on photos, then you will go and select the particular picture you want to use to do the video. Remember that before you could got to this stage, that you have to first of all snap the picture and it will be saved in your phone. Then once you got to this stage, you have to click on the picture photo and select that particular picture you have in mind to use for the video. Now here we go. Okay, I'm trying to select the picture, the photo for this video. I think I have seen the one I'm looking for. Then I have selected the one that I am looking for. Now the next thing you will do is you click on this photo. Now that I have selected it, it has entered inside the CapCut area. Then what I will do is to click on that, highlight that picture, the photo. Once I highlight it, I will go down at the icon bar and click on lip sync. Then once I click on it, look at it here, lip sync. Then I will type whatever I would like the picture to be saying. Look at me typing, hello guys, please keep watching my videos. You can type anything that you want to type, anything you want the image to be saying. Okay. Then after typing it, you see select voice. All these places it has male and female different voice versions. You can select on any of the voice you want to use, any of them. You can select on any of the voice you want to use. Once you select the one that you want to use, you click on that good. You see the good up there. You click on that good to generate, for the voice to be generated. Okay, I'm still searching for the one to use. The
Hello,
network, I
guys.
think the network is somehow delaying. Okay, I have gotten the one that I want to use. I've gotten the
Hello,
one that I
guys.
want to
Please keep
use.
watching my videos. I love you all.
Okay, yeah. So the next, okay, it's generating already. It's generating. It's generating. Oh, you are using a pro feature. This is one of the pro feature. Before I could make use of it, I have to first of all subscribe either monthly or yearly. But this is actually how it is being done. Okay, look at what I'm trying to explain. Before I could make use of this particular feature, I have to subscribe for monthly or yearly. But me, I don't want to subscribe now, but I think I have passed the information. I have given you what you need to do this particular video, how to design this particular video. Okay, so at this juncture, I think we are done with the whole video. You can see that it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. It's not hard to do. Every person can do it. Okay. So if you enjoy this video to this moment, I would like you to